Alrighty, and on to our next one, which is household chores. This is a on your own problem, so you should have the problem already solved, and you should just be watching this video. If you make any mistakes, don't even worry about it. Just pause the video and fix it. That is a really, really fast way to learn. So here's the scenario. Your parents give you a weekly chore that you must complete every Saturday before you can go play with any of your friends. This week, you have to rake the leaves in your backyard. Your yard is 9/13 of an acre. That's pretty big. But you want to complete your chore before or very quickly because your best friend has invited you to go see a movie. The movie starts in 1 hour and you have finished 5/13 of an acre. How much more must you rake in order to go see the movie with your friend? Okay, so once again, you should be completely done, but let's go ahead and I'm going to start my fraction box here. I'm going to just put it right in here. And once again, your backyard is 9/13 of an acre. So I'm going to make this box, this rectangle here, I'm going to make it into 13 parts. So I'm going to do that by drawing 12 lines. So I'm going to just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 lines. That should give me 13 parts. Let's count to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 parts, sure enough. Now, there's only 9 that is actually part of our yard, or out of your yard, okay? So that means I'm going to count up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That means these 1, 2, 3, 4 are actually not there. So I'm going to color those in with just kind of color them with the black. So they actually look blue, but that's actually a black covering. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your full yard. Now, you have done some work already. So you have already done 5/13 of an acre that you have done. So let's take a look here, and I'm going to just get rid of 5 of these. So let me just do this in white. So I'm going to get, that's 1 that you've already done. There's another one that you've already done, and that's 2. Here's a third one that you've already done, and a fourth one that's already done, and a fifth one that you have already done. So these here are what you have already raked, okay? And then this here is what you have left to rake, okay? So let's go ahead and count these. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's out of the 13. So I have 4/13 left to do. And 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see exactly what you have left to do on your illustration. Now, if you did any of this illustration wrong, you should pause this and just copy down what I've done and make your corrections and fix it. If not, let's move on. So next thing we're going to do is take a look at the algorithm, and you want to write your 2 fractions just like I have done here. And the most important rule when you're adding or subtracting is that you must have common denominators. And these numbers are in common. They're both 13, so they're common. So the second rule is that you only add or subtract, in this case we're subtracting, the numerator. You don't do anything with the denominator. You just bring it straight on across. So let's go ahead here and make our equal sign, and 9 minus 5 is going to give me 4. I'm going to draw my fraction line, and then once again I don't add or subtract these, I just bring this straight across because this is telling us how many parts we broke this one whole acre into, and we broke it into 13 parts. So I'm going to write 13 right there, and as you see, my algorithm agrees with what I came up with here for my illustration, and that is always good because you want these two to always agree, and they certainly do. So if you got the same answer as me, that's fantastic. If you didn't and you fix it, that's also fantastic because you do learn from your mistakes. So I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Sayonara for now.